Alright, so we just got tires put on. My friend Nico is coming from Sarasota. We're gonna do some street drifting together. Just got some tires put on. I'm trying a new tire. Show you guys. These are, let's see if we can find them. Otani, I think is the name of them. Yeah, so I mean, the struggle is trying to find an affordable tire that has good grip. I was running Hercules Raptus RT5 and they were a good tire, really affordable tire, but I just didn't have any grip. And I found out they were a 500 treadwear tire. So this one I wanna say is like 80 bucks a tire, so pretty cheap, but it's a 280 treadwear tire. So it should have a little more grip, pretty good tread depth as well. So we'll see how these do. Let's get them put on the car. All right, so we are at the spot with my friend Nico here. He drove from Sarasota. Check him out on YouTube, Hoon Garage, and Instagram. This is one of my local spots, so we're gonna hit this one real quick. This is really just a warm-up spot for me and him, so we can see what it's like driving with one another. We've been to a couple events together, but ironically never drove together, so we figured we'll hit the streets and see what it's about. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this swivel mount set up. So it comes with everything that you need. We've got the 3 mag mount, we've got the swivel here, and then what's key with any kit is gummy bears. It's plug and play, so I mean basically as we turn, the wind is gonna turn the camera angle. So this should get us some amazing shots. Go ahead and give it a shot.
It's like under 5 minutes of setup.
Yeah. So we're at a new spot. I just went and talked to one of the workers here and asked him if it was cool if we made some videos, and he agreed to it. I didn't tell him what type of videos we were making, so he's probably gonna regret his decision. but it's an empty lot. We've got tires he's unloading right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. That was dusty.
Weird right here.
Yeah, you hit like a patch of dirt and it just tossed you. But that'll work.
If I ever spin, I'm just gonna go backwards.
Yep.
So stay forward.
Same, yeah.
Okay?
Cool.
I'm gonna hit that solo real quick. I want to see because
Okay.
the line right here, I kind of gripped up a little bit.
Okay.
But what do you think we should do with? Because right here, I don't know. Like the transition's a little weird.
Do you want to follow me and just keep some distance?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Traction control kick back on. New car props.
You gonna do a pedal dance?
No, I'm good though.
Good?
Yep.
Okay.
I might want to back up just a little bit. Yeah, if you want to back up. Good? Hell yeah. Okay, cool. I'm just saying, there's a water hose right there. We could put a water pit right here. Please hold. So the tires are getting a little hot, so we're putting a little water pit here. Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah. Pulling them down.
ready when you are.
All right, ready?
Yep. Hell yes! Let's run it! Hell yeah!
This is on for a second here.
Hell yeah! Alright, so Nico's getting loaded up. It is dark out, as you can see. We're gonna go get some food.